Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to channel for all things automotive. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most prestigious and luxurious cars in the world, the 2025 Rolls-Royce. Known for its impeccable craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and timeless elegance, Rolls-Royce continues to set the benchmark for luxury automobiles, and this 2025 model is no exception. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who just appreciates automotive excellence, you're in for a treat as we explore everything this masterpiece has to offer. First, let's talk about the design. Rolls-Royce has always been known for its elegant and refined aesthetics, and the 2025 model stays true to the brand's rich legacy while incorporating modern touches. The car's exterior is a perfect balance between tradition and innovation. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament is as prominent as ever, standing proudly on the front, while the bodywork has a sleeker, more aerodynamic look compared to previous generations. The 2025 Rolls-Royce features a redefined grille with a more sculpted and fluid design, adding to the car's imposing presence. The large, 21-inch wheels provide a sense of grandeur, further enhancing the car's majestic stance. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the customization options Rolls-Royce offers. You can choose from an extensive palette of exterior colors, ranging from the classic blacks, whites, and silvers to more daring hues like emerald greens or deep blues. But it doesn't stop there. Rolls-Royce gives buyers the option to select unique paint finishes, such as a two-tone combination or a bespoke metallic shade. The level of personalization Rolls-Royce offers means that no two cars are exactly alike, making each model a unique work of art. When we step inside, it becomes abundantly clear why Rolls-Royce is considered the epitome of luxury. The interior of the 2025 model is nothing short of spectacular. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury suite than a car. The leather seats are hand-stitched with the finest materials, and the wood veneer accents, made from premium hardwoods, add a sense of warmth and sophistication. The attention to detail is staggering, with every surface meticulously crafted to create an atmosphere of refined elegance. Whether it's the deep pile carpets or the polished metal trim, everything inside the 2025 Rolls-Royce exudes quality. The front seats are designed to envelop you in comfort. They're power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and feature a massage function to ensure that no matter how long your drive is, you're always relaxed and at ease. The rear seats, of course, are equally luxurious. For those who prefer to be chauffeured, the back seat of the 2025 Rolls-Royce offers an extraordinary level of comfort. With ample legroom, plush seating, and a multitude of customization options, you're truly treated like royalty. Rolls-Royce even offers an optional partition between the driver and rear passengers for those who desire additional privacy during their journey. Now, let's talk about technology. The 2025 Rolls-Royce is equipped with the latest in automotive innovation while maintaining the brand's commitment to timeless elegance. The infotainment system features a large, high-resolution touchscreen that is intuitive and easy to navigate. Rolls-Royce has always favored simplicity and class, and this system is no different, offering seamless integration with your smartphone, navigation system, and entertainment options. The audio system is nothing short of spectacular, with a bespoke sound system that delivers crystal clear sound no matter where you're sitting in the car. The system is tuned to perfection, providing an immersive listening experience that is as luxurious as the car itself. Rolls-Royce has also made significant advancements in driver assistance technology. The 2025 model comes with a suite of features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system are just some of the technologies that ensure you have a smooth and safe driving experience. The car's advanced parking system also makes maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, and the night vision camera system adds an extra layer of security when driving in low-light conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce delivers an exceptional performance that is as smooth as it is powerful. The car is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces an astonishing amount of horsepower, making acceleration effortless. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, delivering a driving experience that is nothing short of sublime. When you press the accelerator, you're greeted by a wave of power that propels you forward with a grace and smoothness that only Rolls-Royce can achieve. But what truly sets the 2025 Rolls-Royce apart is the way it rides. The brand's famous, magic carpet ride, is on full display here. Thanks to an advanced air suspension system and meticulously calibrated dampers, the 2025 model glides over bumps and imperfections in the road with ease. Whether you're driving on smooth highways or uneven backroads, the ride quality is exceptional. The steering is also incredibly responsive, with a level of precision that allows you to navigate tight turns and corners with confidence, all while maintaining the car's serene ride quality. While the 2025 Rolls-Royce is undoubtedly a performance vehicle, it's also a car that's designed to prioritize comfort and refinement. The interior cabin is incredibly quiet, with soundproofing materials that ensure your enveloped in silence. The car's advanced climate control system also ensures that you're always at the perfect temperature, whether you're driving through the desert or cruising along the coast. One area where the 2025 Rolls-Royce excels is in its commitment to sustainability. The brand has made significant strides toward reducing the environmental impact of its vehicles. The engine, while still a V12, is more fuel efficient than previous models, and the company has integrated eco-friendly materials throughout the interior, including recycled leather options and sustainably sourced wood. Additionally, Rolls-Royce is working toward electrification, with a fully electric version of this model expected to debut in the near future, which will take luxury and sustainability to new heights. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Rolls-Royce continues the brand's tradition of exclusivity. While the price tag is certainly high, this is a car that is worth every penny for those who seek the ultimate in luxury, performance, and craftsmanship. Rolls-Royce has created a vehicle that is as much an experience as it is a mode of transportation. For those who have the means to indulge, the 2025 Rolls-Royce represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury. To wrap things up, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It offers a level of luxury, performance, and sophistication that is unmatched in the automotive world. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, every moment spent in this car is an experience to cherish. With its stunning design, state-of-the-art technology, and impeccable craftsmanship, the 2025 Rolls-Royce continues to set the standard for what a luxury automobile should be. Thank you for joining us today on this in-depth review of the 2025 Rolls-Royce here on Car Reviewpedia. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and automotive content. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next review.